Hey there, my scrappy friends. So I'm back today with a scrap room tour, and I've done this last year in Spanish, and I've just done another one in Spanish now because I've done a few changes in my room, and I've decided to do one in English, obviously, because I know that some of you are English speakers. And here goes. Now this is a multi-task room, so we use it for various things, but yeah, basically it's my scrap room. One of the first changes that I have, I'm sorry for the lights that you can see reflected on the frame. I've got my lights, my twinkly lights switched on behind me. So I bought these frames from IKEA. I linked down before. They are perfect for 12 by 12 scrapbook layouts because they can take up to 32 centimeters. So you'll get a white border around your layouts, and they are perfect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be renewing depending on what I'm working on. I might change the layouts that I put up there or not. This is a Spanish artist called Heba. I've got a print from hers, and it's just beautiful. I love this artist. If you have no idea who she is, look her up on Instagram. Heba, that's her name. And here we have Laura's scrapbooking corner. Now Laura has started doing scrapbooking, like seriously doing scrapbooking. And this is an IKEA desk which opens up. We try to keep it closed as much as possible. I've got my printer and my computer, and I've got my silhouette in there as well. And I bought this for Laura from IKEA. And this is great. So this is quite new. They came out with a black and the white one, but yesterday when we went to buy this thing for Laura, this organizational thing for Laura, now they have it in this pretty color, pretty pattern, and we absolutely love it. So here she basically has space to keep all her scrapbooking supplies. She has some journaling cards over here. She's got punches, rubbers, various glitter bottles, die cuts over there, stickers and puffy stickers in this section, pens and rulers and stuff that she uses, glue for example over here, and at the back she fit all her paper and stickers. Now I've done a bit of purging, and I gave her, for example, these paper pads from Dear Lizzie. She's got the one that she bought herself, some stickers. She's got her Christmas bag as well. She keeps everything together, and it all fits in one thing, and this is great, and I'm so happy. So here we have the desk, another IKEA desk. I'll try to link everything that you see below. I've got a Billy drawer, chest of drawers down here, and I've got a Kallax shelf here. On top of my Kallax, I have my We Are Memory Keepers paper storage. So I've done purging, but I have realized that I don't have so much. So I'm not feeling very guilty that I've been buying stuff and not using it, because in reality, this is all the paper that I have. Just this. This is all the paper that I have. And then a few like collections here and there, but that's the paper. Here I've got my ironing thing. I just keep it there because I don't like to take it out and put it in, etc. My scrapbooking albums, there I have more albums in these 3 shelves. So here I store my 12 by 12 layouts, and these are just various albums, my Midoris. Over here I've got the bottom box, which I save for my December dailies, and the top box has scrapbooking material. And this is something that I included yesterday. I bought these drawers for the Kallax, for the Kallax shelf, and I'm using it because in the first drawer I'm gonna store my mini albums, the more delicate mini albums. Store them there, and here I store my camera supplies and my camera chargers, etc. And then in that bottom box I have more stuff. I don't even know what I put there right now. And then that last box is where I keep my art material and my selfie, which I've always kept in the box. Then I have my Billy chest of drawers. On top of that, I managed to store my trimmers. I've got the Tim Holtz guillotine, and I've got an American Crafts trimmer, and then these fabulous trays from IKEA. Now if you have never seen these before, I'm gonna link it down before. These are fabulous. They come, you can buy a lid for them. I usually use them for projects. When I'm working on a project, I put paper here and I put all the embellishments inside. So let me show you one. because they fit perfectly in the billy drawers, and it's great to have everything split up into different sections. So I've got 2 projects going on, and this is just great because when I'm working on a project, I take the tray out, I put it on my desk, and it works wonderfully. Second drawer, I've got all my chipboard sheets here. I've got my silhouette mat, which I need to change because it's not sticking anymore. A box of enamel dots, some more bits and pieces, and an empty tray. In the third drawer, I have paper, like bits of cut paper. I try to make sure that I only kept the bigger bits of paper, and the smaller ones I threw them away. I've got a little box of journaling cards here. I've got my 6x6 paper pads. I don't have so many. And then I have the 2 collections here from Simple Stories, the Posh and the I Am. I have them there because I plan to use them. With their die cuts and stuff, I'm still keeping this together. Then I have a drawer with more stuff, and this is getting stuck. What's happening here? Okay. So, yeah, because I filmed this one in Spanish earlier and they didn't put everything back in its place. A box full of glues and tape and stuff like that. A box with wood veneer, and then album material. So I've got an album that I've started, and I've got various like wooden albums that I can create. I've got my stencils here. I've got adhesive. This shouldn't be here. I guess hopefully it won't get stuck now when we close it. It is getting stuck. There I keep my letter stickers. All the letter stickers go in this drawer. And then the last drawer I basically put storage like material. Envelopes, folders, everything goes there. Then on top of my desk, I'll go back a bit so you can see. So my best friend gave me that pretty thing that I have stuck there on my calyx. It's very pretty. I have a tote now. This is quite a few years old, but it's still working. I was going to change that to the same IKEA thing that I bought for Laura, but Laura's thingy is much bigger, so I don't want to reduce any more space in my scrap area. I'm going to keep it there. I've got 2 trays. Currently they are one inside the other, so I have an extra one here if I need. I've got a box of photos. I've got projects that I'm working on right now. And then I have another box with more pictures here. And this is what I wanted to show you. Now this idea I got from Heba, from, what is the name of her channel? Oh God, I'm gonna link it down before, something journal. But actually I'm a big fan of Heba, and she came up with this idea. These are makeup organizers, and they work brilliantly for scrapbooking supplies. So the fact that they are transparent makes it easy to see what you have, and you can fit a lot of things in these. Now my problem with this was that they are pretty expensive, and I had to look into Amazon to find some which weren't so expensive. We don't have a dollar store here in Spain, so I couldn't get an equivalent from a dollar store, which many people get from the United States or Australia maybe. But they just work brilliantly because, whoops, there you go. Oh my goodness. I hope I am not making you dizzy with this video, but it's very hard to film with my iPad in my hands. So these are great because the drawers are transparent. It's very easy to see what you have. And what I'm going to try and keep here is stuff that I want to always have at hand to use. So I have wood veneer here. I have one big drawer of small stamps here. I don't have a lot of stamps, so basically I have this, and then I have the letter stamps which did not fit in this one. I have my washi collection in the next one. I do not have a lot of washi. I have this, and I'm quite happy with what I have. I think I have enough. Then I have a big drawer here full of die cuts that I really want to use. And on top of this, I could actually put a lot of things that I needed at hand. My black pens to write, my paint pens, my adhesive goes there, inks, white pens, sharpeners, and little things that I need, my paper trimmer blades. Here I have no idea what I'm gonna put yet, but I've got my roller stamps there, my acrylic block right there, and then I still have 4 drawers empty because I'm planning to buy a few new things eventually, and I'm gonna put them there. But that's the idea. I mean, the die cut packs, we can take them out of the packaging and put them right in there and have them at hand, and I'm very happy with this idea. So thank you, Heba, for this beautiful idea. Then yesterday I got this flower from IKEA. I fell in love with it. I thought it was just so pretty to put on my desk. I also have a fake plant there. This cup is full of mermaid markers and Jane Davenport pencil colors. And then I have this little piece of furniture where I store my Heidi Swap sprays, some mediums there, and then just bits and pieces. I've got this Distress Oxide over here. I've got inks up there. I've got my Dolly up there, keeping me company. My speakers, my iPods, and that I'm planning to just remove from my desk because I want to have all the space of my desk to work. So a lot of stuff that I had there, I managed to put in my drawers. I still need to kind of reorganize a few things here and there and remove that completely. And then on my wall, I have some decoration. I have a few layouts. I have this beautiful circular shelf that I love, my twinkly lights, and that's it. So when I'm working on my desk, I have my window right there. It gives me enough light. I use this tripod to fix my iPad so I can film my videos. And then I basically take out these trays, put them on the desk. I'm working in this area, and when I want to clean up, I just put everything in the tray, and the tray goes under the desk. And I think this is like the perfect solution for me to keep everything nice and clean. And that's it. I hope you liked this little tour. I'm very happy with my corner, with my room. I know not a lot of people get to have a room all to themselves for their hobby. I do share it with a lot of other things like my daughter, like ironing, like exercise. We have an exercise machine here, which I did not show you. But I am very happy with having this space. And that's it from me. Bye.